Hi guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to power up and upgrade your Asus n580vd or Vivobook Pro 15. We're gonna install a new SSD and a new RAM. Okay, you can find everything in the description down below, as well as some tips on how to find the right RAM and the right SSD. Okay, let's get started. Okay, these are short, and short. These are long, no? So these ones here are short and these ones are long. We are ready to take out the main back. Use a little bit of force and we go really pretty easy about it. We need the RAM. We just insert this guy at 30 degrees and we press. So you take it out and we unscrew this one. Let's try. Okay, remove the hard drive. Now, what we need to do, and we stick it inside this new one. Okay, great. So now we place the paste all around this, and we gently place it inside these holes here. Okay, it's in. Then we secure it and we close it. Then, so we close it. Okay. Now let's try to see if it opens. A little bit of a problem with the disk MRP or something, GDP something, you know. And I just had to run this free line of code in a terminal. And by the way, the trick to open a terminal was Shift F10. And then I just needed to format the hard drive in GPT or something.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.